Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing some sweet potatoes. Stick around. Alright, this is going to be a simple dish. It's just sugar, sweet potatoes, butter, marshmallows on top. We're just going to cook these down till they soften up. Put some marshmallows on top of them, cover them up with a lid, let them simmer. Eat them up. It's going to be delicious. Stick around. It's basically the size you want to try to cut them. I mean, you want to make them even, but hey, if you can't, you can't. That means one's going to be a little different, a little softer. It just goes to add to your sauce. Don't worry about it. It'll work itself out. You know, like these little end pieces. Well, like the one that just dropped on the floor. It'll work its way into your sauce. It'll make it delicious. Trust me. Started out with a little butter in the pan. Get that dog melted down there. Into this, we're going to add some brown sugar. I love the smell of butter. Mixing with that brown sugar is really smelling nice. Alright, to this, we're adding in our potatoes. There's a lot, I know. They'll cook down. That, we're going to add some more brown sugar. This is going to be super sweet, super delicious, all sticky, syrupy. Oh man. It's once a year for me, so you know I go a little all out. Alright. And to this, I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. Stick it down in there. And we're gonna cover this up and let it simmer for a little while. Bring it back when it's done. Alright, I'm gonna add a little salt to this, just to counterbalance all the sugar. A little bit of cinnamon. And we're going with a little orange peel. I know, that's a new one. I'm using that instead of nutmeg. See all that liquid that's done developed down there? Yeah. No water needed. The sugar will do it all for you. Alright, bring it back when it's done. Alright, next step. I went ahead and put my marshmallows on there. I got them turned down low so to simmer. Potatoes are done. It's just about melting that. Bring it back. Alright, end results. These look fantastic. We're getting ready to sit down and eat. And we'll get a taste then. I tasted the juice a little bit. It's nice. So, with that, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Tell a friend about me. Leave me a comment. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.